Let's be honest, many people have almost no time between their personal life, their family life, their work, to even think of wanting to generate an extra income. Look, I completely understand your situation if you do feel like that. But if we're trying to get out of debt, if we're trying to build an extra cash flow, there will be sacrifice. In this video, I'm going to talk about 2 tips to give you a balance to try to take on the side hustle. Tip number 1, try to wake up a little bit earlier. If you have a family and your family gets going around 5 o'clock in the morning, you may want to try to just get up at least a half an hour earlier, get everything ready and organized. And if you have some time in that half an hour, prepare in advance for what your day will look like by mind mapping it out, by creating a really good organized, synchronized schedule, and see where you can get an extra maybe hour in the day for that side hustle. And decide for yourself, will my side hustle work better in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening? You got to really reorganize your day in a certain way. And it's going to require an extra, I would say, hour at least, just to sacrifice to have that side hustle. So overall, what I'm trying to say is understand where your extra energy can really fit into the mold, into the framework of your own day, to know when you can time slot that in to make it work for you. Tip number 2, see how your side hustle can be done with your wife or your partner. I think this is a really important consideration, because maybe you could do a project where you can involve your spouse, your partner, whoever it may be that you live with, and you could do it together, right? Maybe my wife and I can do an amazing consultancy project for people about aspects of their marriage, or about organizing their home, or creative projects. Maybe you can work on something unique together and then profit from it and share with other people. So think of a creative thing that you can do that maybe be new on its face for both of you, that you're both really passionate and excited about, and come up with a plan that works well with your time and balances throughout the day, and put it into action. I think we highly underestimate how creative we are. The only thing that holds us back is just being timid about it and just fear itself. But knock fear out and try something new and let it create a snowball effect over time, because you'll get tremendous results if you're both passionate about it and you both do it together. So those are 2 tips that I think are really important when trying to balance your time, your energy, and your commitment to make money online going into this next year. Think it out clearly and stay committed to it more than anything. So go back, rewatch the series, and really find the key points that will help get you on the right track to make money online, which I'm really passionate about in helping people, because I think it's so important now more than ever, and just having extra income is so imperative. So please comment below. What is the most important thing that you think you need to put in action this year to start generating extra income for your side hustle? Please comment below and share with others. It'd be great to know. And we'll see you in the next episode. And click this video up here below to rewatch the series if you missed anything. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you in the next episode.